Welcome to Knowledify, and this channel is all about enriching knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe and join our growing community. Let's achieve greatness together. We will be exploring 7 major topics on our channel every week, following schedule outlined below, with each session airing daily evening at 7 p.m. Today's knowledge update quiz is: what is a good strategy for paying off multiple debts? Answer: watch tomorrow's episode. In this episode, we'll provide valuable insights on Master Personal Finance in 2025 Top 5 Tips for Financial Success as a Beginner. Stay with us until the end of the video for a complete understanding of the process. Top 5 Personal Finance Tips every beginner must know. Managing personal finances can be overwhelming, especially for beginners. However, with a little planning and discipline, anyone can take control of their finances and work towards financial stability and independence. This report focuses on top 5 personal finance tips for beginners with detailed examples to guide you through each step. 1. Create a budget and stick to it. Why it's important? A budget is the cornerstone of personal finance. It helps you understand your income, expenses, and savings goals. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend and fall into debt. How to create a budget? Track your income. Write down all your sources of income. For example, if you earn 2,500 rupees from your job and 500 rupees from a side hustle, your total monthly income is 3,000 rupees. List your expenses. Break your expenses into fixed, example, rent, utilities, and variable, example, groceries, entertainment. Set limits. Allocate a portion of your income towards savings, example, 20%. After setting aside savings, spend on your needs and wants. Remaining money to allocate to savings or debt repayment. Tips for sticking to your budget. Use apps like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget to track spending in real time. Automate savings so you are saving before spending. 2. Build an emergency fund. Why it's important? An emergency fund is your financial safety net. It helps you cover unexpected costs without relying on credit cards or loans, which can lead to debt. How to build an emergency fund? Start small and automate contributions. Tips for managing the fund. Keep your emergency fund in a high-yield savings account to earn interest. Only use it for emergencies, like an unexpected car repair or medical expense. 3. Pay off high-interest debt first. Why it's important? High-interest debt, like credit card debt, can eat away at your finances. Paying it off reduces the amount of money you are losing on interest payments and improves your financial health. How to tackle debt? Debt snowball method. Focus on paying off the smallest debt first to build momentum. For example, if you have debts of 200 rupees, 1,500 rupees, and 3,000 rupees, start by paying off the 200 rupee balance. Debt avalanche method. Pay off the debt with the highest interest rate first. For example, if your credit card charges 20% interest and a loan charges 5%, prioritize paying off the credit card debt. Example. Debt 1. Credit card, 1,000 rupees at 20% interest. Debt 2. Car loan, 5,000 rupees at 5% interest. If you have an extra 300 rupee per month to put towards debt, using the debt avalanche method would mean paying off the high-interest 1,000 rupee credit card balance first. Result: you save money on interest over time. Tips for debt repayment. Refinance or consolidate high-interest debts to lower your overall interest rate. 4. Start saving and investing early. Starting early allows your money to grow through compound interest, where your earnings generate additional earnings. The earlier you begin, the more time your investments have to grow. Tips for beginner investors. Start with index funds or ETFs to reduce risk and ensure long-term growth. Reinvest dividends to accelerate your wealth building. 5. Educate yourself about finance. The more you understand about finance, the better equipped you will be to make informed decisions. Continuous education helps you manage your money effectively, invest wisely, and avoid common financial pitfalls. Tips for continuous learning. Set aside time each week to read articles or watch videos about personal finance. Attend free webinars and workshops to learn from experts. Conclusion: personal finance is all about making informed decisions, starting small, and staying consistent. By following these top 5 personal finance tips for beginners, creating a budget, building an emergency fund, paying off high-interest debt, saving and investing early, and educating yourself, you'll be well on your way to achieving financial security and independence. Answer for yesterday's quizzes: in India, the government initiative that provides dedicated TV channels for school education is Swayamprabha. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more knowledge updates. See you tomorrow evening at 7 p.m.